Well, Jason, we know one winning Powerball ticket was sold in Maine earlier this year.
Really? Yeah.
So, maybe we don't get lucky twice, but I think people would take a nice day tomorrow for New Year's Eve instead.
Yeah, I think that would be our way of winning the lottery after the kind of the sort of winter we've already had, where it's been all over the place. We've got a snowstorm or two. We've had an ice storm of sorts. We've had a lot of rain. We've had flooding. We've had wind. I mean, pretty much everything, and we're not deep into winter yet. As Sam and I remind you every weekend here, we got a long way to go. Light snow going on right now up north. This is not the concern. The concern is that the snow, the rain, everything has fallen, which means with these temperatures starting to cool down, okay, the ground gives off that heat got from the sun. Remember, sun through the clouds, yes, and heats the ground just a bit. But really, at this time of the year, it is the air that dictates the temperature more than it is any type of sunlight. So right now, 26 up in Frenchville, so watch out for black ice, okay, the refreezing. Anytime you have snow that is melting, for example, up north, accumulation about 3 inches up in Holton. It's right there. All right, it's Caribou. Yes, and then head south of that. Let's take a look here. 2 inches of snow on the dirt, inch on the pavement. That's in Cornville. See, obviously, you're going to get that snow on a place like dirt or grass versus the pavement, because the pavement is going to bring in that heat. Now, let's take a look at your hour by hour tonight. Things dry out, but got to watch out for black ice the entire night until about daybreak. That's when you're going to have things change over. Once the sun comes out, then all of a sudden, goodbye black ice everywhere. But until then, you have issues. 8 o'clock, west breeze dries things out. A lot of sunshine, and then into late Sunday, that's where we're going to have some mid-level clouds come in. These are not going to be rainmakers later Sunday. So New Year's Eve, you see the clouds start to come in from the west. Here they come. Don't worry about them. Don't expect any precipitation. You'll be driving, commuting, whatever, just fine on your Sunday. There go the clouds right there before fireworks time, and more come in the overnight as you start New Year's Day. So all good and dry. It's going to feel like, yes, winter around here, just a bit. Nothing frigid, but it's definitely going to be chilly, back to close to what you'd expect this time of the year. Wind northwest 10 to 15, gusting to 20 for the Mariners. Seas at 3 to 5 feet. And yeah, breaking the coats out for a change. Hopefully, you probably got a coat for Christmas, right? Hopefully, if not, you got one that was donated here in coats for kids, right? 35 to 38, then 30 to 34, 35 to 38. This is not terribly cold. It's also not quite as warm as it or mild as it has been. Threat for snow is Thursday. Right now, it does not look to be major. More of a snow shower situation versus a nor'easter. But I imagine that there's a lot of people around here right now that wouldn't mind a nor'easter. Look, at this point, all the snowbirds are gone, okay? At this point, I say bring on the snow. So, for the people that need the snow to pay the bills and just have some winter recreation.
I know it really felt more like, I know you said it during the week, like maybe April these past couple of weeks. So I think we're ready for the snow to start to fall.
Wouldn't mind it.
All right, Jason, thank you.